Gaf a macas me balak.
Tatu chormúd a chujaman sa bóchel. Tarro di nís tácht di ámle a ceanna búra.
Ach tar donnaí ag duldum. Ach ní bhúr mé ach an litar seá rá go bhfuil siad ag éirí leirtlum.
Den derúd sin a bóchel, ní hí tú pingan róda.
Ach is lumps an target sin.
A vic dés a bhar glófar. Níor chóla riomh le héad a chanális de chanáf sálas a chóla ón glón ságalbse. Ní bheith bhúr le héad a ríist á le chónamh dé. Sna deisna tágah, ach bharlih, bheith na sír bhúr dón in istí gan so, ag fannacht le géana nifha cóns.
Féig céad táid caint, an céad lehanach ar ag lí dhearna tú ag garán. Ná bíag ligad dúirt go bhfuil tú a dhéanamh seo ar watha lumsa.
A bhacha lása. An álaí a ceapan tú a phleig a bach. Nach bhaithe lumsa héan leis a táiman sa.
Fí is a go mé.
Bhfuil is a go bhfuil tú ag chur chrúar maine.
Come in. Paddy, thanks for coming by at such short notice. I'm Alexander Feuerstein. Take a seat. Pardon me. I'm a bit under the weather.
Feuerstein, are you...
That's right. Maximilian Feuerstein is my father. He's appointed me as director of our European operation. I've been here a few weeks now, and to be honest, I can't say I'm happy about the way things were being run. I think the previous management let a lot of talented people go, including yourself. It was a short-sighted solution to a long-term problem.
Thanks. It's nice of you to say that.
I'm not saying it to be nice. We want you back at MaxiCorp. With an increase in salary, of course. I'm not asking you to decide right now. Go and take some time to think about it. But the sooner I can get your team up and running again, the better.
Hey, Paddy! Long time no see.
You're back on board as well, eh?
I haven't decided yet.
Why? Did you get her a job?
Not exactly.
Well, come on. We're going to the paddock for a spot of lunch.
The paddock's a bit out of my price range at the minute, lads.
Oh, come on. We'll treat you. You can take us out on your first day back.
When was the last time you washed down a foie gras panini with a nice chablis?
Sounds tempting, Steve, but I've an appointment I can't miss.
Okay, we'll see you Thursday then.
Thursday?
Mm-hmm. Tell him.
It's the first poker game in Dave's new pad. You can't miss that.
I don't know, lads.
Hey, I'll take a no for an answer.
Tell you what, I'll see or no, and I'll raise you a maybe.
You still got it. See you Thursday. You bring the pretzels.
I love that guy. Oh, David.
It's echt een lady dat uit Las Vegas. Lady we gewoon haar kien maar zo riep. Dan moet de nisje gara aan geen alle hoiga. Ta plan gno curly gela gnacha. Agus ta mai kinte go mai shiberain tormlin gul federach die haar kamse a baint les een gunchapse. Sheishin dramicht trireilge.
Leonard, the car wefshed, beg me job to compart this car professional vunu.
Is keer die na leren gaan en weg gegest ook?
Drami callile a ta héis lucht fechen na mora a bheala haar na blinte. Ta soimid les sihar wara dramador in a heden. Ta sé dastra a hanahain go di galoor tangacha diffrila. Is feder the playboy of the Western world a ekkel in Beijing satinish. Agus the importance of being earnest I Boris of Rankish. Kefal nach feder an keirta agus na realta a ekkel im la clear in Gaeilge.
Ní dóilio mé. Is séhar alína berlíd na drámi sin. Caiid se rodégan a gcónaí san eistrúcháin. Agus ar éon nós le rítear iad go fáil le méirle ar fud an dáhain.
Ach, tá lucht fécin ar cinnte grin hana féin. Bín na drámi seo le wild agus sing ar an syllabus dun tastas sosharach agus dun artest thola blin. Nach mín?
Bíon?
Well, déanaan na mílta scoláirí na scrúdathe trí géilge. Defuin gate brescia. Knock Elizabeth. Chucky she'd kinta gadina drami. Guaranteed.
Mi en siad an scrúdú berla trí réige, Paddy.
Certá web, West Side Story.
En is dat wat kind of walk? Behoort die weg queen of na Sean Mora. Gierig noos Las Vegas. Nou, beetje nog aardcultuuriert, ach malen schier na meelte. The hege cats, rent. No, we will rock you. The Benelton.
Moet je zo maar rieden?
Tá mé landar ire. Queenie Broadway.
Cared free Phantom of the Opera.
Go gierig.
Jesus Christ Superstar.
Chinne?
Mamma mia.
Na, niet oor mee. Kan niet stoppen uitjekend. Hey, as hem gwil een tarschken show in Rocca. Ach, niet hoorde we anne goormok. Het heeft een leraar in een eentjef. En wat het alle gin of agafschap. Na een luchtvegene is mo als is feature of Russian tree heilge. Shin privaim na hagriach de show. Als mag lachen schif les een gunneel shin. Ik aan diontes chans kan toch geno de €9,000 la foidagaf.
Eentoch.
Rod jogge wine.
Rudderbe.
Neil meegiri. Een vers show a chlustaid ag auraniacht rieve me hele riech.
Caffar a formige, seo aliana. Agus hotar a scholo agus is féidir.
Hello? Pardon me, I have a bad chest.
It looks fine to me.
Excuse me?
Seeing as you're new around here, how about I take you out to dinner tonight?
I don't think so.
Oh, I see. You want to skip the foreplay and get straight down to business.
Is this how you speak to all your female colleagues?
Just the hot ones.
Bhí an bóthir Zachar ach táachchas sásta go chuir tú échail an cuine leis.
Ní chur mé an méid broad.
Ón tús, thosa an duine bheith caint méall ar bheith ar masan í ar an hain. Thásam gur sé Zachar, ach ba sé difriúil is. Sláinte.
Yeah.
Cé tá míart?
Tada. Just ní dóilm go cór bheith calóra. Sulla méid an marga dainta yard.
Cé tú rá? Níle duine is ach sainal ar an líne.
Níl sé go siimplí le sin.
Cé chu?
Just níl sé. Ní higann tú.
Cé nach digam? Níl annach cuppa ferrim.
An massam go rock mé bháile. Beid mé a caint leat níos déine.
Bhfuil sé chuigna? Tá mé ceappa go bhfuil. Bhfuil tú ag dul ag an gig de héine? De Shillelagh bangers. Le sam, Peter.
You're never going to believe this, Pete. I've just been fired.
Huh?
Just because the new boss can't take a compliment.
That's terrible, Ian.
You're damn right it's terrible. No severance pay. It's just as well we've got your redundancy check. Have you cashed it yet?
Well, actually, Leo, that wasn't a check.
Who's that? Come on in, my dude.
Dear Maxi Corporation, are here?
Yeah.
Físama. Dear Tossa Arms Aibrulat. An green intuition? Bach mit an armas near an hain door to. Keta diffrulin is.
Ní rah rá a goman or sin.
Íntoch. With tight ask go Maxi Corp machine to wet.
Nílas gom céir tá
Well, tá Samson. Tamachan an target in a hoigalo, commission of Gaelga, agus Tamachan an gnotion a recht. It's coming on new ass who.
What do you mean it wasn't a check?
Cochran is a vochel. Tá comisiún na Gaelna ag tort deis úntaach dutse. Fe fád, jargam adan gan lacha leis.
Is cinna mór é. Cai mé smína faoi.
Hán pusa nos seandina in sin an scéal héna ó hawan go bealtana. An seanfort céna go jo.
Ní mé cinnte bhfuil mé fós ag irí a bheith mar wasarm hain. Agus tá Maxi Corp tar éis airú go mór.
An álaí nach chuin leat faic. Chachad ar amach ar héh an bhóthar chu is dhéanadí se ríiste mar sin. Ní bheith tú riamh i do bháistear de chinúnt héana a bhóchal is tú ag obair dóibhsan.
Ach tá airgid mór í gceist.
Fuise, airgid. Ceol go bear leatan is. Bheith sever ach anis san am chéana nó bheith beobacht ach chusásta le moc. Manam ggóil an tá leat an rábheith god. Mise bhíosa beobacht ach anis comá.
But is féidir brat orsa agus de leabhar chun na haise.
Fai ghair sin anam chrim. Bheitha ag déanamh amach gurab léamh mal leabharsa an rud bavasa a hála go te riamh.
Ní raibh sé roiád amhaid.
Fregar é sin.
Paddy?
Níha Eddie, Sivanancha.
Tóke. Bhí mé ag irig dul dangal a Paddy. Mas tú cinúr a bheith na firmca sinnagai.
Bhí me gar leart leat mé álar sin. Níl Paddy cho cínta sa bhíse faoin rud a lug.
Céad? Na higgin?
Ní higgim héine. Ach ní chóir go gurch sa sin Dublin. Bháilm sa lenacht a bhaid me héin.
Táriscint an mert goibh a bae seo. Chaithe tú
Ach, cad a hálas mat an cinna dinta go hána héin?
Well, ní bheith gábar caintear bethe gaon an sin.
Soch mad. Sinna yes mar hiú heachta a cúpla. Tá issues aistecha ag an different. Níl tabba idir ma hain agus John Johanna. Chaibh a leachú bud ar leis aiskent.
Yen sin astíí padid. Na bheith go nóil se na bunte sa des le díaltas muinte má armsa.
Tara a chud ras na rún riile chéile de máta agus tíar daoine leabhain is a hocht ar TG4.
We are a million different expressions, and we are one. We are using Bebo for free on our mobiles. We are O2.
Browse Bebo for free, exclusively on your O2 mobile. Join in. Free text Bebo to 50308.
Wow, Jane looks fantastic.
No carbs?
New boyfriend.
Hi.
Hi. Please, and this and this.
You look amazing. What's your secret?
Eating breakfast.
Really?
Yeah, a bowl of Special K red berries, fruit and coffee.
Research shows that people who regularly eat a low-fat breakfast like Special K are more likely to be slimmer than those who skip breakfast.
I'll have the same.
Yeah, me too.
And me. Special K. Eat breakfast, stay in shape.
Saniflo for extra facilities from loft to basement and most places in between. Call Saniflo on 1850 23 24 25.
Ever get that bloated feeling?
My stomach just literally feels like it's expanding bigger and bigger.
You just put up with it.
Only Danone Activia contains the unique culture Bifidus actiregularis and is scientifically proven to help improve slower digestive transit in 14 days. Try Activia today and see if it works for you too. Danone Activia, actively good. Discover Danone Activia cereals, a creamy blend of yogurt and cereals, a truly delicious source of fibre. Danone.
Oh yeah.
What time's it? I don't know. The others left at 4:30. It must be nearly 6.
I'll have to leave soon, lads. We're glad I came. It was a good crack. And this is some gaff you've got here, Dave.
You should see his new car. It's a beauty. Vintage Merc.
Nice.
What are you driving these days, Paddy?
Not as fancy as that.
All right, lads. Come on. Last game. Let's make it interesting. No limit? Yeah?
Why not?
High stakes. I like it.
Trying to separate the men from the boys, methinks. I shall see you both. And I'll raise you $5,000.
I'll have to fold, lads.
Don't worry about it, Paddy. I'll spot you. You can pay us back with your first month's bonus.
Not with this hand.
I'm struggling to see you.
Okay. What about the Merc?
All right. I'd give you a lift home, Paddy, only, you know. Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, lads. You were a jammy bastard. Over the back. See you soon.
Well, that's come going. Carton of Morris, chocolate, the clock, full shit sauce.
Can't come in over.
You're focus over your truck hole of it. Ah, near the end. You're just sort of on. Cover an issue vocal. Oerente. Van de meen niet. Niet small, on het drog leenta. Nana leenta, na Irene Lin.
Masha, die verloren op. Down in Michigan.
Ah, mannen. Wil guljorig brachort on rod kerste jenef. Wel, dinna holy.
I called my Yal Urmse.
Frische Paddy. Na higan to fein amsa. Gor tresion fokol na muin an teir. Fechan fjolse ta tagar de chud gleirna. Tikan to na hen okol a hagasas no veelse. Nish. Gor klausur na fargo.
You're fairly.
There are no good jobs, and I need money.
What about your friend, the recruitment consultant?
Ah, Jude lost his job weeks ago.
Would you ever consider setting up your own business?
What, like you did?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. We all know you just started those schemes to get into Siobhan's knickers.
Shut up, Leo. All our businesses were set up to promote Irish.
Oh, and you're the right man for the job?
Why not? Ní gá vet rugged is togus and nail tapped. They can no matter rit scale.
Whatever. It'll never earn you $100,000 a year plus bonuses. When do you start back in MaxiCorp?
I don't know.
I can't believe they fired me and took you back. I miss the old place, you know. Lunch at the paddock. Corporate hospitality. Not to mention those dirty bitches in the sales department. Don't tell me you still haven't decided. You owe me and I've got the mother of all credit card bills. Newsflash. You start on Monday.
Tú smach le na haibre? A chorga mach sama. Tá mar ro hinanta. Dian darmad ar fad. Tá mar an sila hais brí.
Well. Ha? Will a chanter sin focus mal noch da doen?
Bhris leat, seo ich na man. Agus mar ólascuit, níl Paddy agus Siobhannig obair le chéile a heile.
Cho, nach willinis. Well, nach mi úr near ma irocht láf chuntur tit. Ach, ní rot tú sásta glach le ma chóileach. Ryn se únseach cheartí ti hiúan, ha? Ach, nach yna ynans na Carmen se lwc. Nach minnig I dŵr ma lata fiw. Ní heif la cli. An á tiart gut.
Beidir é. Fági mé agad é.
Tá rí me dorm gur casúir hiúd.
Hiige?
Wel, da meini chiapú nach ymwyd ferwm chwyr. Siwral ti fi. Am di special tegi mar ten tra, ach mae chiapú glwyn dim i'r wori ni tifrwyd le tam olmos. O, ni tysys cwsla siwf. Ach mis. Ta ma brishet swsrad.
Kert?
Wach ys Iwan. You're dumped. Hi da handsad, ach ni'r hig du ken tafiad. Darnas no. Bych siad ych ymrodi. Mi'n rhoi amser dynis mw. Ta wasg dra ele gyfan patam.
Gwylastwr. Rhanig diachtan, agus inis chym chwile hwrt me yala our dream home.
Can fi ar siŵl an sin?
Tá nerv atiach de sachan seo. Cyrraedd rhaid me this fucking amach as de fel bradach. Ma ta dún ta ger leisgil gálam. Na backlash.
An fresh show Kurt's shocker.
Tá.
Man, a makla.
Have fun now, mate.
You ain't fought to rip the leg on the show.
Squealish. Paddy! Can you fi hustle the guy yours?
Ah, no, that's a good care. Tá na forma get going shot.
Casa Paddy on the block of shark, eh? But we're ready cackle over.
Tá siad go bra, Eddie. Tá na cálíní mar le chéile nacht. Tá sa tain.
Well, níl mé umlan soleil.
Cert nach bhfuil tú seller faoi?
Cén fá ná chiní tú na filmacha.
Cert? Tegan ar inisto gama.
Níor seansa gom.
Hoig tú dám.
Tá brón orm. Wyt tú fós a géir é seo dhéanamh?
Cínte. Tú na ríad fi go bhais go Mexico?
Ina sí tarsint ionach. Ach hiig mé nach raibh mé a géirí bheith go bit a dhíine eile.
Seachas mise.
Tásúla gom go dtigann tú an méid atá agus úsa gom.
Seachan ar héanaan is níomh tú gin and tonic eile.
Well, thug siad an redundancy check dom faoi dhearra.
Nach bhfuil tá sinna gal go Leopold?
Tá Leopold ceart an ár. Cuir mé tugadh is job dó leis an Moscow.
You're so man, Leo. Fired and rehired in the same week.
Oh, no. Here, how'd you get Firestein's daughter to take you back?
She obviously fancies me.
Fáilse, go dtí an éitíim. Bhfuil na peantí sin ré agad fósa bhí hir.
Well, if figure free tattoo gin go male Paddy. Tá sé lu go tíocht na chéan is nach bhfuil.
Scanna héh ná méoch. Freagar é seo chum a hí. An ólaigh nach bhfuil sé gceist agat so riamh mé agan don sos na flaithis fé híchans fé huaimh na sirí.
Céhéid úr a chas me rála a fig. Catú ceú le gacha le duine rinne staidir de leabhar. Bhí tú chohanis gur leit tó bhil gurb. Ní mór chuid sin is go de chuidir a mór ceart agus sa spéise a bhoscailte na deanga dúchas. Agus chun na fiad na rá, ní tú dinner ó honna.
Cúgur níos. Bhíos ag duineh má bhachnamh. Os ru déana haíon an sean leabhar leo. Cé ná hiigi me go deo chu na héamh. Ac beidir go bhfuil sé beagganín beag sean áisinta. Dalríonn sé go dastíon rudégan de bheith bhfuil sus condáta mar dearfa.
Meas tú? Déan áirt?
Tá We dierig an dara lawr sgrif.
An darna leabhar?
Sha. Peg a ríist.
Peg? Fadó Peg?
Sláinte.
Tuas.
Tusa agus mise.
Agus Eddie.
Agus Eddie.
Agus Peg.
Peg?
Is scéil fad é. An cuiban leat an lá sin nuair caiile mar a bostanna. Well,
Big cold case teachtan sa TG4 in 9 haimse agus cúpla fógra. Fanna gilin.